viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Saaru, that is Rasam. Rasam is a traditional South Indian spiced soup. There are many types and variations of Rasam. Today I am going to show you one variety of Rasam, that is Toor Dal and tomato Rasam. Now let us look at the ingredients. For making Toor Dal and tomato rasam, I have taken 1 cup Toor Dal and 5 ripe tomatoes. Add dal in pressure cooker, wash couple of times and add enough water to it. Cut tomatoes into 2 halves and add into the pressure cooker. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon oil. Close the lid and pressure cook for up to 3 whistles. Now we will make a masala paste. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 7 green chilies and little coriander leaves. Take a mixie jar and add grated coconut, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, green chilies and coriander leaves. Add water and grind into a smooth paste and keep aside. Let the pressure of the cooker go down by itself, then open the lid. Now blend dal and tomatoes. Transfer dal mixture into a vessel. Add masala paste. Keep the vessel on stove. Add salt, curry leaves, coriander leaves and mix. Add water to adjust the consistency of rasam. Mix well and allow it to boil. Set the stove to medium flame and boil rasam till the raw smell of the masala goes off. Keep stirring in between. Now let us do a tempering. Keep a pan on stove and add 1 teaspoon of pure ghee, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Half teaspoon hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 red chilies cut into pieces, curry leaves and mix. Add the tempering to rasam, mix once, turn off the stove, cover with the lid and let it stand for 5 minutes. Tasty Toor Dal and tomato rasam is ready to serve. Rasam can be enjoyed with steamed rice. Thank you for watching my video.